Some owners of the Samsung Galaxy A10 have been complaining because their device is reportedly turned off and won't turn on. Some said that the problem occurred without any apparent reason or cause, while others reported that the problem happened after they updated their devices. Hey guys, I'm RJ from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will be showing you how to fix your Galaxy A10 that won't turn on. First solution, perform the forced restart. The forced restart is probably the only thing you need to do, especially if this is just a problem caused by a firmware crash. It is a simulated battery removal that refreshes your phone's memory as well as reloads its apps and services. Here's how it's done on your Galaxy A10. Press the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and hold them together for 10 seconds or more. Most of the time, the phone would respond to this procedure and continue to boot up. However, if your phone remains stuck on the black screen and won't respond, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, charge your phone and perform the forced restart. If your phone didn't respond with the first solution, it's possible that the battery is drained. The thing about letting your phone run out of juice is that there is always a tendency that the firmware will crash just before the device turns off. As a result, you're dealing with a couple of minor issues that both result in an unresponsive device. To address this, here's what you need to do. Plug the charger to a working wall outlet, and then connect the phone to its charger using the original cable. Regardless of whether the phone shows the charging symbol or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. While the phone is still connected to the charger, press the volume down button and the power key at the same time, and hold them together for 10 seconds or more. As long as your phone doesn't have any signs of physical or liquid damage, these procedures are more than enough to make it respond again. However, if the device continues to be unresponsive, then it's time to bring it to the tech. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been able to help you one way or another. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide. Thanks for watching.